So this right here is my 2014 Ford Fusion Hybrid SE. You know, being a car enthusiast, I usually do modify my cars pretty heavily. But I never really thought I would do that much to this one. It's because she's not really meant to go fast. She's more just meant to get me good fuel economy. You know, that's why I got a hybrid. But recently, I've been getting more involved in the Ford Fusion community on Instagram. And by involved, I just mean following people that have nice Fusions, not really messaging them or anything. But nonetheless, it's given me some really cool ideas for what I could do to this one without breaking the bank, because honestly, Ford Fusions are a pretty common car, so parts for them aren't necessarily hard to come by. Now, starting from the front, I already have done some cosmetic mods to the car, mainly being the Ford emblem. I disassembled that, just gave it a black and white paint job. And these little fog light housings right here, they were chrome. I painted those gloss black, just to accentuate the black on the car. Now the tint all around, I don't actually remember the numbers, but with the tint, I also got a gloss black roof wrap. Again, dirty, but she will be clean shortly, so it won't be too much of a worry. And then the last thing, I debadged the rear of the car, and the sides are basically coming up shortly. And as for the interior, there's one thing I did, rather. I painted some of these pieces of interior trim white to kind of accentuate the exterior of the car. So we have that there, center console. I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, simple paint job, wasn't more than a few hours. But this is how the Fusion's looking now. Let me show you guys what we have in store. Cheapest mod is probably gonna be these fog lights right here. I got these because they have the halo around them, and it should fit just fine. Just 3-inch fog lights, nothing crazy about them. These aren't specific to the Fusion, these are actually universal, so I'm hoping that the wiring won't be too big of a deal. I got these because I like the halo around them, and the fog light itself looks pretty sturdy. Definitely gonna look a lot cooler in there, especially with all the black accents around it. One thing that I'm definitely ready to get rid of is this grille. Nothing against this one, but the one thing that I did see online that really caught my eye were custom grills that were painted to match the color of the body. So I got this grill on eBay for about $100. I really like the honeycomb pattern and the little slits that it has. The main thing being, there was a ding basically right here where the hybrid emblem was. We got that fixed, and it had to be repainted, so we gave him the grill while the vehicle was being repainted, and he basically painted this for free for us. Now, it's not perfect by any means, but it was a good deal. And again, we're not going for perfection on this car just because she is a daily driver, but this grill's definitely gonna make the car look a lot cooler. The next thing being something that I've actually had for a while. It's actually this spoiler right here. The main thing I like about this is it has this actual brake light right here in the middle. It's pretty subtle, but at the same time, those people that do own Fusions will definitely know that's custom. So I was able to get the grill installed and the fog lights working properly. So this is what she's looking like. I also ended up buying this decal that just goes right here on the cowl. It is a little long, so I'm probably gonna cut it to size. So I'm gonna start washing the hood and I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay, she is now clean, kind of. This was just kind of a quick job. But we have the decals on the hood, and they actually look really cool. They give it a lot more of an aggressive look, and especially when you get the profile, because you get the nice decal on the hood, black roof wrap. It's raining. So I mean, the car's clean, but she's getting wet, so I didn't technically lie. But front end's looking really good. Let me turn on the fog lights just so you guys can see what those look like. And this one actually does have this little switch right here. You just press that, lights come on. You can actually see right there that they're actually getting light on. Yeah, pretty good. In person, you can kind of see the halos coming through. Let me see if I can get in on it. Okay, definitely looks really cool. Really happy with how it came out. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stay subscribed, because next week we got some wheels going on, and hopefully the spoiler, I am waiting for some adhesion type stuff to get it to stick on right. Okay, bye.